Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to improve weighing accuracy using the weight correction coefficient function of the GMT-X4. After calibration, if a weight deviation occurs during operation, you can use the weight correction coefficient to fine-tune the weighing result and enhance measurement precision. From the main interface, press Enter to open the calibration menu page. Press the down key to select 5 calibration correct, then press Enter to the calibration correct menu. Select 5.1 correct coefficient and press Enter to modify it. After calculating the correction coefficient, inputting the initial password 60. Then press the left-right keys to switch between digits and use the up-down keys to adjust the values. Once the setting is complete, press Enter to confirm. Back to the main interface, the actual value of the object can be displayed well now. That's all for how to adjust weighing results using the weight correction coefficient. In the next video, we'll explain how to configure serial communication settings on the GMT-X4.